We are meeting April and Davey here, and we are going to do the hot springs.
Okay! This is so fun!
See you down there. 3, 2, 1. Should we go for a ride? Literally see about 10 feet in front of us.
Slow down.
I see nothing.
Oh my gosh.
Hey.
Hey,
Hey.
hey,
Hey. 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 Hey.
Hello, MTM fam. Bowden, don't. Bowden's being an annoying chewer for the vlog. Welcome to the vlog today. We are at a place called Crystal Hot Springs. It's about 30 minutes from our house. It's not very far from our house, but we have only been here one other time.
Have I been here?
Yeah,
I've never been
you
here.
came here with my parents. Did you not come?
I've never been here.
Okay, Derek's never been here.
Oh, this is
we are
fun.
meeting April and Davey here, and we are going to do the hot springs. It's gonna be fun because it is cold outside. There's lots of snow, but it's warm in the pools.
I don't know what footage we've even gotten here in hot tubs. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's really cool. So this up here is where some of the hot springs actually come down into the pool, and this fountain. I'm going to show both. So let's go show the waterfall here. Are you guys making out in here? Yes. Oh my gosh, we got it. This is a kids channel. This is so cool. Oh, it's so cold. It's so cold. Somehow the kids managed to talk me into going down the slide. It's cold. It's snowing outside. I figured, well, now's the time.
After you go and after you always.
Oh yeah? Is the water warm or cold?
I'm warm.
One of you said warm, one of you said cold. Which one is it?
Oh, warm.
See you down there. 3, 2, 1. So cold. So cold. It's so cold. Okay, next time you have to take them.
We're catching snowflakes on our tongue.
I get down here, and what did you say to Dad?
I decided to do it myself, and it wasn't working.
You what?
Yeah, if you ever want
I get down here, and Jay decides he does actually want to go on the water slide after all. Should we go for a ride? It's awesome. It's totally awesome. Oh, here we go. We did it. We did it. Okay. Yeah, let's go get in the warm water now, okay? Let's go get in the warm water. It's really starting to snow. This is the last time. No more slides. It's just getting colder and colder the later we stay here. So last time, right, Jay? One more time. Let's go. Where are we going?
April is so mean to me, and she makes me do terrible things like go in the snow.
So you're blaming April for, she's blaming April for this. Oh, this is not. April, you're also making us do this then too. Oh my God. You did it, we're so proud. Yeah. Go get in the water. Yeah, we're not doing this, by the way.
How many kids do you guys have?
Too many.
8? How many you have how many with you tonight?
Enough
Yeah.
to get yelled at by another table. Enough.
We did get yelled at by another table. And then she gave us a nice gesture on their way out, but it was fun.
This just came to me. The kids were singing Bieber, so I think it wasn't that they didn't like kids, it was that they didn't like Bieber.
They didn't like
I think
Justin
that's
Bieber.
the problem.
We should have gone with
It
the
wasn't
Chris
the
or
kids.
something like that, yeah.
It wasn't the kids.
We just had dinner. A lot of kids. 16 total. No, 14. How many do we have? 13. 13. We had 13. I was. Yeah. Anyway, we're done. It's time to go home. We're playing frisbee over here. Look.
We're on our way back to our house and we're heading through the canyon. We showed you guys this the other day, but we've been driving a lot in bad weather lately. We've been spoiled because actually Logan has not had a lot of snow in the past year or so, but it's bad weather right now. There's the ground, you can't even see the ground. It's completely covered in snow. I mean, are we driving on the road? I think we're driving
so.
on the road. I hope so.
Hey, it was worth it. That was fun.
It was fun. So Crystal Hot Springs, where we were earlier today, is supposed to have the highest mineral count in the world, right? Yeah. Or in the United States. I don't know, but it has an insane amount of minerals in the water. So it's really good for your skin, really good for your body. I basically feel like I'm a superhero now.
We need to go there. We need to go there more often.
Yeah, it was fun. And it was so magical, when you're in the water and it's snowing down on top of you. I don't know. It was really cool.
Who had fun with the Orgills?
Did you guys like it?
I did.
Me.
We love those guys.
It was fun. And that was definitely... Oh! It's so windy.
Look, show 'em. We can literally see about 10 feet in front of us. Oh my
It's
gosh.
so windy.
It's so bad. Oh my gosh, I can see nothing.
Slow
Okay,
down, slow
we're
down, slow down, slow down.
I see
Oh
nothing.
my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so stressed
Oh
out.
look, it's opening up.
Okay, we can see it now.
It's opening up a little bit.
Okay, we can see. We did.
That was crazy.
I've
so
never
It
seen
was a
something
wall
like that.
of just white in front of us. We were crawling at 1 mile per hour.
We're almost out of the canyon. I had to stop filming for a minute because I was legit freaking out. We couldn't see anything besides maybe 10 feet in front of us, or even that.
In some of the spots, not even that. I was going less than 5 miles per hour.
We couldn't see anything in front of us. Derek turned our blinkers on, we had our lights on, everything, but I just get nervous, a car coming up behind you can't see you. Driving in the winter conditions is not fun.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Not one of the
I'm gonna flash these
perks
guys.
of living in.
Just to let them know it's so bad.
Not a perk of living in a cold, wintry place, for sure. We made it home. We're all in one piece. I'm sick of driving in the snow, and it's only
This is the beginning of winter. I love driving in the snow, but that was intense. It was like a metaphor for life, though. Life is scary. You have storms in life that you just have to slow down.
No.
You have to get through.
No.
And we did it together. We weathered the storm.
Stop it right now.
I'm gonna write a book.
No. But it was a fun day. It was fun to go to the hot springs. We actually had been talking about going to the hot springs with our family, and then it didn't work out. So it was fine. It was fun to go with April and Davey. Always fun to see them.
Obviously, you guys know April and Davey, at least most of you. And
we love them. They're awesome. Yeah, they're awesome people. Fun family. So it was good to spend the night with them. And I'm glad that we survived the drive. I do not want to do that again anytime soon.
Same.
So
we didn't just survive the drive, Bree. We weathered the storm.
stop it.
I'm going to bed.
We're delirious now. Okay, thanks for hanging out with us today. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye.